Are you tired of the daily commute and dreaming of a work-from-home lifestyle? In this video, I'm revealing 9 remote jobs in Canada that are always hiring. Whether you're looking for flexibility, career growth, or a chance to work for top companies, I've got the perfect opportunities lined up for you. Stay tuned to discover the best ways to kickstart your remote work journey today. Here's an overview of 9 companies that offer unlimited remote work positions and are expected to be hiring extensively in Canada in 2025. Each company provides different types of roles, estimated pay scales, and links for more information. TTEC is known for its customer experience solutions offering remote work opportunities across various sectors, Super Tech Careers, TTEC Jobs. As a fully remote company, GitLab hires for a range of roles focused on software development and operational functions. Super GitLab Careers About. Automattic, the company behind WordPress.com, offers various remote roles and is known for its flexible work culture. Buffer is a social media management platform that is completely remote, promoting a healthy work-life balance. Zapier offers automation tools for workflows and specializes in hiring remote staff focused on tech and customer support roles. Envision offers digital product design tools and employs a fully remote workforce dedicated to design professionals. Salesforce is a leader in customer relationship management software, offering various remote roles across departments. HubSpot is an inbound marketing and sales platform that embraces remote work and seeks talent in marketing and sales. HubSpot is an inbound marketing and sales platform that embraces remote work and seeks talent in marketing and sales. Super HubSpot Careers HubSpot. Trello, owned by Atlassian, is a project management tool that supports remote positions across various job functions. Super Atlassian Careers Atlassian. In 2025, the trend towards remote work is expected to grow, with these companies leading the way by offering flexible, unlimited remote positions in Canada. Their commitment to remote work creates diverse job opportunities across several sectors. Feel free to explore the provided links for more information on job openings and application processes.